startled?
So startled.
Oh my god, check this out. Holy. Oh my goodness gracious, Brittany Aguilera, full blast. Check this out. Wolfbox. Oh, it just prepared the SD card. Look at this. Oh, we got front and rear view camera. Well, we got the front view.
Swipe and...
Right? It says I got this one, and you flick switch 4, and then you got the trailer hitch. It's not in there right now, but that's, if there was a trailer hitch in there, you'd be able to see it. And then you go back to there, and then you got up to the brown line, and then we got above the brown line, but this also, I got her up high, right? So you can like really Santis the shot. Like, look at, this is awesome. Way more mucho better. So as when you're driving along, you can actually, you know what I mean? You got a box truck. Can't have a rear view mirror in a box truck, but now you can have a rear view mirror in a box truck.
There it is.
Right? Oh, look. I got this type of a situation going now, so that you guys can really sant this. Nice, you can sant it. Oh, I need the trailer. Eh? But this, I like that. A lot. So this is the front. I've had the front camera hooked up for a long time because it's obviously right there. You just hook the fucking rear view mirror up.
It's just like a fucking video hookup or something that you hook to the rear.
One's power and one's the rear camera. But
yeah, because the front will have all the internals already inside of it. So
right.
Yeah,
the front camera's built right into the mirror. But
nice. It even has like voice commands and.
Yeah. Hey Wolfbox, save the video.
Hey, fuck.
There it did. Look at it.
Oh, did?
Yeah. Oh, decent. Hey, you guys. But then the other way to do it is there's a lock right there, so you can just hit boop, and then if you don't want the screen on, you can just push that, and then it's like an actual mirror. You can like, if you had a back window, you can like Santis it in there. Like,
yeah, like I can see everything out that window clearly, like from this.
Right.
Yeah.
But it's got the time onto it, the voice Marmaduke, different, you know, all your information's right. Fucking date even. Holy shit, it tells you it's Friday, October 24th, 2025, 6:10 p.m. Oh, it says AM though. Yeah, we'll have to snag some Vinci off this, and it looks pretty crisp. And a lot more crisp than this.
Yeah, by the looks of it, it says 4K up there, so.
Right.
And I don't know if the plus 2.5K means that it's like.
I think, yeah, I'm not sure.
Oh, one of them's probably 2.5, and then,
like maybe, yeah, the rear one's probably 2.5, because the front one you're going to want the
highest resolutions.
Yeah, that's pretty friggin' clear.
Like way more.
Time display, yeah.
Yeah, it goes past, so that would be PM there.
Nice.
There we go, yeah.
Like take your rear mirror, throw it in the garbage, and get this right now.
Yeah, because now you have it. Like if somebody rear ends you, now you got the video fucking them rear ending you.
But I mean, other dash cams have the rear view thing too,
they
but
do,
you can't sant it like it's a rear view mirror. You know, right?
Exactly.
Like even that one that I got, you know, with this little screen, it looks really clear on that, but it's this big. You know what I mean? Look at this guy, he's coming up behind me. I wouldn't even be able to know on this, right?
Yeah. You can see him.
Yeah, look at him, he's way back there.
Yeah.
You can't see him at all on this one. Look at all the traffic going on back there behind us. I wouldn't even know. Man.
Right. Now you're gonna get some nice shots of the freaking cows in the background too.
Oh yeah.
Or I mean horses.
Horse!
Oh, yeah,
little baby horse. The beer store. Right beside the LCBO.
Where's that homeless guy?
Yeah. So you can give him some loonies, tunes.
Yeah, like hell I'm gonna do that. I gave the guy a beer once.
Oh yeah, boys. What do you think? Felon stopping for a couple pops, a couple sodies. You know what I mean? couple sodies, no big deal. Oh, we moved stuff around in the yard too, boys. You should sant it. Felon sitting there talking about different types of pops. He's like, oh yeah, this one time I had this one pop, I was just sucking it back, got me hammered, terrible. Just got me dicked. Damn near sucked the guy off, I was so dicked. That's probably what he's saying. I was pretending I knew what you were talking about with that guy.
Oh yeah? Nice, nice.
Oh, look at my backup lights. Decent. I'm gonna lower it down a little bit more, so fully up is horizon, because it doesn't make sense to have the capabilities of aiming way up in the sky. Oh look, save video. It's the police. It's the police. Ah! Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this guy's f***ing muffler pipe. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh dear, it's chooching. Oh dear Lord, hopefully I got that on a movie. Wow. What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Stupid fuck. Holy shit. Oh, I'm just gonna completely fucking stop in the fucking highway. Wow. What a goof. Well, there you go, boys. The Wolfbox G900pro. By far my favorite. I like the monitors in the Santa's factory, you know, especially in the box truck. I can't be just creaming backwards into stuff all willy-nilly and whatnot. So now I got the trifecta camera blend in the back there, but I mean, you're just used to looking in a rear view mirror anyways, and with the box truck not having, you know, the ability to sant through the box, I mean, it's a game changer, boys. It's a game changer in the box truck industry. Okay, but yeah, definitely my favorite dash cam so far. But if you leave a comment, hashtag Wolfbox, hashtag Wolfbox, and head on over to the Facebooks, One Pug Life Entertainment on Facebooks. There, you can you know, leave your comments and make yourself noticeable, and then we'll pick a winner, and one of you dicks will end up with a Wolfbox G900pro of your own. It'll be totally friggin' awesome, and I try to make it so it's at least, you know, you're not gonna win a fucking camera. You know what I mean? Like, if okay, I'll make a video about your camera, but you gotta give the dicks one too. So anyways, boys, appreciatory valve, and yeah, smoke cigarettes.